Welcome to Singapore O-Level Chemistry. The chapter is Redox Reactions. I am John Louis, International Memory Coach and your chemistry teacher. The topic is Oxidation, Reduction, Oxidizing Agent and Reducing Agent. So in the previous two videos, we have learned the same oxidation, reduction, oxidizing agent and reducing agent. So that is all the definitions were based on oxygen. Gain of oxygen is oxidation, loss of oxygen is reduction, like that we learned, and based on that we have seen some examples also. But in this presentation we are going to have another definition based on hydrogen. Okay, before we learn the definition, let us try to understand from this equation. So what is this chemical reaction here? Hydrogen sulfide. So this is hydrogen sulfide reacts with chlorine to give hydrogen chloride and sulfur. Now let us see what change has taken place for each and every reactant. So first let us take chlorine. On the left hand side it is pure chlorine Cl2. But what about in the product side? It is hydrogen chloride. So what is added to chlorine? Hydrogen is added to chlorine. That is, chlorine has gained what? Hydrogen. So chlorine gains hydrogen. Therefore it is reduced. That is, gain of hydrogen is known as reduction. Or reduction is gain of hydrogen. Okay, then what happened to the other part of the chemical reaction? Hydrogen sulfide, that changes into what? Sulfur. What change has taken place? Hydrogen is removed, am I right? Loss of hydrogen. So loss of hydrogen, that is known as oxidation. Here hydrogen sulfide loses hydrogen, therefore it is oxidized to sulfur. Hope you understood this. So in the previous thing we based on oxygen. Here we are learning it based on hydrogen. Gain of oxygen is oxidation, loss of oxygen is reduction. But based on hydrogen it is just the reverse. Gain of hydrogen is reduction, loss of hydrogen is oxidation. Okay, now let us take how to find out whether the given chemical is oxidizing agent or reducing agent in a chemical reaction. For example, let us take chlorine. So chlorine is converted into what? Hydrogen chloride. That means chlorine has gained hydrogen. Therefore, chlorine is reduced. What causes this reduction? Hydrogen sulfide only causes reduction. Hydrogen sulfide reduces chlorine into hydrogen chloride. Therefore, hydrogen sulfide is a reducing agent. Again, the same definition. The substance which has undergone oxidation is reducing agent. Okay, now let us take hydrogen sulfide. It is converted into sulfur. So it has undergone oxidation. What causes this oxidation? Chlorine causes this oxidation. Therefore, chlorine is an oxidizing agent. The one which has undergone reduction is oxidizing agent, isn't it? Chlorine has undergone reduction. Therefore, chlorine is an oxidizing agent. Hope it's very clear based on hydrogen. See, oxidation is the loss of hydrogen by a substance. Reduction is the gain of hydrogen by a substance. That's all. Very simple, and you can take this example and you can take any other example also based on hydrogen, and you can try to do it on your own. Okay, again, so test yourself now. What happened to chlorine? Chlorine is converted into hydrogen chloride. Therefore, it has undergone what? Addition of hydrogen is what is known as, it is known as reduction. So chlorine has undergone reduction. Therefore, chlorine is an oxidizing agent. It is an oxidizing agent because it has undergone reduction. Okay, hydrogen sulfide is a reducing agent. Why? Because hydrogen sulfide oxidizes to sulfur. So the one which has undergone oxidation is a reducing agent. Hydrogen sulfide is a reducing agent. Chlorine is an oxidizing agent. Clear? So simple it is. Thank you very much for watching. So please subscribe and click the like button and share it with your friends, and please comment in YouTube comment box. Thank you very much for watching. Until we meet next time with some other topic. Bye bye.